Hey guys, I hope you're having a wonderful day. Getting ready for my planting season, I was offered this raised garden bed. The inside dimensions are 15 inches by 44 and it is 29 inches high. Also has this shelf on the bottom which adds to the strength of this already strong planter and also gives it a beautiful look. Even though it's pretty strong, there is a leg that folds out if you need to put something heavy here. But overall, this is very nice and strong, very durable and sturdy. It's made of this great polywood material, which is resistant to chipping, rotting, fading, and has a very nice wood grain design. Looks very cool. Has very good drainage, which is essential for a healthy garden. Comes with this cover, a fiber cloth right here to hold the soil in place. Look at it. It's got beautiful wood grain design. And this is a white one, but it comes in different colors. Check those out. It takes about 30 minutes to put it together. Instructions are very clear, and all parts are labeled clearly for an easy assembly.